When you click on a pivot table, you automatically see the pivot table field list appear to the right hand side. But if you click away from the pivot table, perhaps down here, that field list will disappear. So too will the tabs from the ribbon. As soon as you click back on the pivot table, those tabs in the ribbon will reappear and the field list will also reappear. But if you are clicked on the pivot table and the field list does not appear, hence the situation here, you may find that you actually have to click on the pivot table, go to the Pivot Table Tools Analyze tab, and to the far right you can click the button Field List and bring the field list back. So it's important that the field list is actually showing. It can be closed and it can be brought back quite simply. Now the field list can have a variety of layouts. This is the default layout where you have the fields listed at the top and then the 4 sections at the bottom. But it is possible for someone to click this Tools button here and decide, no, I would rather have the fields listed here because it's a rather long list of fields and the 4 sections to the right. And this can also be resized. Also, you can choose another layout, which is just the fields listed. Or you can choose another layout here, which is just the 4 sections, 2 by 2. Or you can see the 4 sections 1 by 4. So there's a variety of ways that you can customize the layout of the field list, but I'm going back to the field section at the top and the area section stacked, all 4 of them, at the bottom, the most common layout of all.